Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering Tutor. In this short video, we are going to discuss about some important concepts of civil engineering that will be helpful for any site engineer to execute civil engineering projects, as well as those aspirants who are preparing for competitive exams like SSC Junior Engineer and different state PSC Junior and Assistant Engineer exams. So let's start this video. First, we are going to discuss about some important specification of cement. In project site, cement is available in a sealed plastic bag to prevent water absorption. Now the weight of one bag of cement is generally 50 kg, but sometimes 25 kg bag is also available. And volume of one bag is 0.0347 meter cube, that is equal to 1.25 cubic feet. So we know the weight of one bag of cement as well as volume of one bag of cement, so we can easily find out the dry density of one bag of cement. So we can find density using this formula. The density is equal to mass divided by volume. So we know mass 50 kg and volume is 0.0347 meter cube. So we will get the dry density 1440 kg per meter cube. Now the specific gravity of cement is 3.15. So always remember this specification of cement. These are frequently asked in any competitive exams. Now one interesting thing about specific gravity test of cement is that we don't use water in this test. Like if you remember, while finding specific gravity of sand or any other soil, we used water in picnometer. But for cement, we don't use water. Instead of that, we use kerosene. Now, what is the reason behind this? The reason is, as water is a polar substance, it reacts with cement, and the reaction is known as hydration of cement, and it forms calcium oxide. But as kerosene is a non-polar substance, that means it doesn't react with cement. So that's why we use kerosene in specific gravity test of cement. So remember this vital concept, it may be asked in any interview. Now moving forward, let's see what are the checks required in the site for quality control of cement. Cement should be used within 3 months from the date of manufacture. Now if cement is more than 3 months old from the date of manufacture, in that case the site engineer must conduct cement testing to maintain quality for further use. Like we can see a bag of cement, and this is the address or the batching plant address from where the cement is collected, and at the bottom here we can clearly see that it is written that cement to be tested before use if more than 3 months old from the date of packing or the date of manufacture. So we have to remember this. As a site engineer, one should remember this, that if cement is 3 months old, then testing is required. Now what are the different tests to be conducted for the quality assurance of cement? Number one is normal consistency test, then initial and final setting time test. So we know that for OPC, IST should be greater than 30 minutes and final setting time should be less than 10 hours. Other tests that need to be conducted are compressive strength test as well as tensile strength test. Now it's quiz time. So check your preparation whether you know the correct answer or not. So write the correct answer in comment section. And the today's question is, what is the initial and final setting time of masonry cement? Comment down the answer. Let's see some random concepts. So minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. In this picture, you can see the thickness of roof slab is 125 mm, and the minimum thickness for DPC is 25 mm. So always remember these two important points. Now what is DPC? DPC is basically damp proof course, that is a layer of PCC to prevent dampness in superstructure, so that absorbed water below the DPC cannot travel above the DPC layer. In this picture you can see this is the DPC layer. And one thing you can clearly see from this figure, that the bottom the bricks layer below this DPC is in a condition of wet, whereas the brick above DPC is kind of dry, in dry situation. Now some important specification about stair. So slope of stair should be between 25 to 40 degree. Remember this, it is often asked in any competitive exams. Now why this 25 degree to 40 degree range? You can see this is the slope. I think most of you are familiar with this. So if we provide slope more than 40 degree, then it will be very steep and there will be risk of falling and also not comfortable. And what if we provide flat slope below 25 degree, then it will take more space. Now remember the horizontal and vertical dimension of each step. Vertical dimension is called riser, which is 150 to 200 mm, whereas horizontal dimension is called tread, that is 250 to 300 mm wide. So in this picture we can see this is riser, that is 150 to 200 mm, and this horizontal portion is known as tread, that is 250 to 300 mm. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our first video. If this video is helpful to you anyhow, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also you can follow us on Instagram at Civil Engineering Tutor page. In this page we have already posted more than 780 content and important concepts, and this page has more than 18,000 followers. So don't forget to comment down the correct answer of today's quiz, which is what is the initial and final setting time of masonry cement. Comment down the answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.